Removing a bank account from Google AdSense isn't a direct one-click process. Instead, it's achieved by replacing the existing account with a new, verified one. First, add your new bank account in the AdSense Payments section. Ensure you accurately enter all details like account number, routing SWIFT code. Next, verify the new account. This usually involves micro deposits or instant verification through bank integrations where available. Verification typically takes 1 to 7 business days. Once verified, set the new account as your primary payout method. With the new account active and primary, the old account effectively becomes inactive and can be left unused after confirming no pending payouts are linked to it. Google advises against frequent changes to avoid potential account issues. To ensure a smooth transition and avoid payout disruptions, complete the bank account replacement process well before your next scheduled payment. Allow at least 1 to 2 months for all pending payouts to clear from the old account. Always double-check that the new account details are correct to prevent verification failures, which occur in about 10 to 15% of cases due to mismatched information. Ensure that the bank account is in the same name as your AdSense account to comply with anti-money laundering laws. Avoid manipulating multiple accounts to circumvent AdSense policies, as this can lead to account suspension. If you encounter any issues during the process, contact Google AdSense support for assistance. Remember, proactive management and careful attention to detail are key to a seamless bank account transition.